Mathematics. Does that sound scary? Yeah, at least for someone. Did your students ever complain that they like math very much but they couldn't score anything? Do they keep on asking you, why do we learn all this junky stuff? Have you ever stood still failing to answer these? Not anymore. We got the answers and a lot more questions too. Hi all, I am Mushtaq, virtual teacher coach, and I do research in mathematics for Edleem inspiring educators. So what is mathematics? Is it a piece of knowledge or a skill? The researchers revealed that mathematics is a perfect blend of knowledge with the necessary skills to play around with the knowledge. So mathematics is not just to be taught in the classroom, but to be trained too. So a mathematics teacher more or less needs to be a good trainer as well. The neo world is of information. So it's just a matter of redundancy to teach your children with the same information which is readily available at their fingertips. So apart from the information, the skills you and your students are trained with makes you special. This is where you go to play the role of a trainer. Mathematical skill acquisition takes place step by step. Each step is built over the previous one. Do you, as a mathematics trainer, fit into this hierarchical process of development? Mathematics involve extensive brain activity, and the topology of brain differs from person to person. So it's necessary to employ a specially designed and differentiated teaching strategy in your training programs. You might be wondering, how do we do this in our classrooms? Admitting the fact that the system gave us nothing but deadlines, you need to be superhumans to train the enthusiastic faces gazing at you. But again, how? Worries aside, we will keep you trained. Edleem is a group of enthusiasts who train the trainers to beat the limits and fly to the superhuman infinities. Do you call yourself a math teacher or a math trainer? Then come on, gear up with us. The tomorrow is ours.